Tired of Instagram's privacy walls blocking you from seeing what you want? First, a quick reality check. There's no legitimate, guaranteed way to view private Instagram accounts without following them or using approved third-party apps that the user has granted permission to. Be extremely wary of websites promising instant access. They're often scams. Many of these sites ask for your Instagram login, which is a huge red flag. Giving them your credentials compromises your account security. Some might even infect your device with malware. A safer, though less direct, approach is to create a fake Instagram account. Make it believable why you use a profile picture, bio, and follow some public accounts that the target account might also follow. Then, request to follow the private account. There's no guarantee they'll accept, but a convincing fake profile increases your chances. Finally, remember to respect people's privacy. Just because you can try to view a private account doesn't mean you should. Consider why the account is private in the first place.